Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree, and yes, it is countdown till Christmas. So we are trying to save as much money as we can. So we do want to start out at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have. So here we are at the front of the store looking at an array of wrapping paper. So the first place that I would begin before going to other stores is definitely going to be Dollar Tree. So like I said, look at all of this wrapping paper. And so let's just keep walking. So they have the tissue paper, and here are those cute little elves. Aren't they adorable? All different kinds of cute little items they have here in the front of the store. Look at this. I love the candy cane stuff, wrapping paper, and I thought that was adorable. So they have that in its own little separate section. And let's just continue on. So from the tissue paper and the double pack of tape, the Scotch tape, I thought that was a great buy. And the gift bags, they have huge assortments in multiple sizes. I am just so impressed with what the Dollar Tree is doing, and they're really stepping up their game. So what I think is really nice is they also have the double-sided tape right there with the wrapping stuff and the gift bags. And they also have scissors, everything that you need for gift wrapping. They also have the multiple boxes, all different kinds for gift cards. So those are really neat. They come in handy. So this is the double pack of the Scotch tape, and then here's some curly ribbon. So pretty much they got everything covered, and I was really impressed. So I think these humongous paper bags for gifts are really nice, especially if you don't want to use the plastic bags. And look how huge they are. And the prints on them are so cute. So now if you bake cookies for the holidays, these little tins are the most adorable things I've ever seen. So here's like the little penguin one, and then they have the little Santa tin. And they also have other types of tins I'll show you as we go down the line here. But they are great for when you're giving out baking goods for the holidays. So I'm going to be showing you the different sizes. I was so impressed. The different sizes and shapes of these gift boxes that you can get up to four or more of them for $1. So that's a great buy. And now what I'm showing you here is, instead of using the tins for your baking stuff, if you prefer to use plastic, they have those too. So that was a really neat option. So now this is something different that I found at my Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys have them, but look, they even have cookie bags. I never noticed that where I live, so that is a good buy. So what I'm showing you here is the multiple sizes of the boxes, which is very impressive. And the best part about it is that you don't have to wrap it, not even these tins. So these items here are great for when you just want to place the gift in the tin or the box and just hand it out or place it under the tree. Without showing them to you. They also have uh, different kinds of sizes and different kinds of prints of Christmas cards, and they're beautiful. Okay, and I just couldn't walk past this without showing it to you guys. have some toys in this area here. They have an entire aisle of them, but right behind me they had these, so I didn't want to not show them to you. As you can see, a lot of these things would make really good stocking stuffers, but we're going to cover that in another video. I'm just giving you a sneak peek. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Happy holidays.